Hi, in my previous video I showed how to create activity rings in SwiftUI using the trim modifier and a basic divisional operation. In this video we are going to create the same activity ring using the dash property of a circle. To turn a circle into dash, in Sketch, if you have a circle, you can go to the inspector and change the value of the dash. And with that, we create something like this. To turn this into an activity ring, we can enter a larger value, for example, 800. For now, let's comment the trim modifier so that we get a whole circle and use the dash property of the circle. I'll go to the stroke. After line join, I'm going to add a comma and write dash. It takes an array, so I'm going to use square bracket. We can change this value to any number. In order to create a dashed outline, we're going to use this same dash property to create the progress ring or the activity ring. In this project, we have a goal of 10,500 steps. In order to calculate the percentage step count, we divide the steps today by the total goal. I'm going to bring the calculator and divide 7,297 by 10,500. And with that, we get 0.69. We are going to use this value to create a visual representation of the step count. I'm going to erase this value and write 0.69. And then we are going to multiply this value by the diameter or the width of the circle. This is the width of the circle. I'm going to delete this. From this line, we have the fixed width and height as the diameter or the width of the circle. I'll bring the calculator again and we multiply this value by the width, which is 354, and then we multiply this by pi, which is 3.142. And with that, we get 767.46. So again, we divide this value by the total goals and multiply the value by pi and also the diameter of the circle. And with that, we get this value, 767.46. Write the value over here, 767.46. We get the same activity ring as we created before using the trim modifier. So this is how you can create an activity ring in SwiftUI using the dash property of a circle. Thanks for watching.